This video will show you how to remove the stock blaster coils on all 2011 through 2023 5.7-liter Dodge Chargers.
All right, so let's get this engine cover off of it first, and that'll give us access to everything else underneath. Now we can disconnect our mass airflow sensor here and loosen the clamp on our throttle body clamp using our 8mm socket. All right, so to disconnect our mass airflow sensor is going to press the release clip on the plug and pull it out. Now we can loosen our clamp using our 8mm socket. Now we can disconnect our breather hose from the engine and take out this bolt here using our 8mm socket that holds our air box in. Now we can disconnect our air inlet tube from the throttle body and lift the whole thing out in one unit. Now that our intake is out of the way, we can go ahead and remove the coil packs. First thing we need to do is disconnect the connector from them and then remove the bolts using our 10mm socket. So to remove the connector, all we have to do is lift up on the red locking tab, press on the release clip, and pull it out. Then just lift up on the coil pack, and we're done. Now for the second coil pack, the connector process is the same, but you will need either a swivel socket or a universal joint to get to this bottom bolt right here because of the air conditioning line. Now for the remaining 6 coil packs, all you'll need is your 10mm socket and the ratchet, and the process is exactly the same.
Thanks for watching, and remember, for all things Charger, keep it here at AmericanMuscle.com.